Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Jordan Williams. Today's 3-minute injury report is about outside hip pain, what it is, why it happens, and what you can do to help fix it. Outside of hip pain, what's it come from? Well, let's talk about that. A lot of the times we see what I like to call the mom stance. If you think about your mom holding your little brother or sister, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you think about your wife holding your child, you know what I'm talking about. If you think about your wife holding somebody else's child, that's a little awkward. Don't do that. So when a woman usually holds her child, they have the kid on their hip, and they're like this. They're holding the kid here. Many times what they're doing is they're stretching out the outside of that hip. When you do that and you're in that position for a long time, it can really cause a lot of irritation and pain. What can you do about that? Well, the good news is lots of times just changing how you're standing, your biomechanics, your stance can help to decrease some of that irritation and pain. So when you're holding your kid, hold them a little bit closer and don't sit into that hip. Try and use those muscles and align your body. It doesn't mean you have to be like a robot, but it definitely means that you want to be more stable, more upright when you're standing in the same position for an extended period of time. The second thing is use those muscles really specifically through exercise. Get them strong, get them working so that they can help support your body when you're standing around. So there's a few basic things that you can do, basic exercises that you can do to help strengthen those. And we're going to go through those right now. The first one, nice and easy. Think of the Jane Fonda days. That top leg is going to be nice and straight out there, and the bottom leg is going to be bent. And you're just going to straight lift up and then back down. Nice and easy, nice straightforward exercise, but you're getting that motion in there, you're getting those muscles working. The second one is you're going to bring your knees both together and bent, and you're just going to start lifting that top knee there. When you do this, you engage these muscles on the outside as well, and you start to strengthen up that outside hip. The last one is more of a stretch. You're going to be on your back, cross over like you're going to, you call it a figure 4 is what we do, and you're going to pull that knee up just like this. If that's too much for you, you can actually pull that knee across, this knee across, and you're stretching the outside of the hip and butt there. Going through these exercises 2-3 times, once a day, is something that can help to decrease some of that outside hip pain and get you back to activity. If you do these for a couple weeks and they help, we'd absolutely love to know about it. If you do them for a couple weeks and you're still struggling to get over that pain that you initially had with it, we'd also love to hear about that because we'd love to get you into the clinic, get working with you, and get you out of pain. We hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.